चलिए तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, a die mark 1 2 3 in red and 4 5 6 green. तो dice S equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6. N equal to 6. Event A, die mark in red. Die mark in red तो कितने एलिमेंट होंगे? सो दैट इज 1 2 3. So probability of P of A R upon N 3/6. Now second, A be the event, number is even. So die is mark, that is the in general form. First one, event A. Event A, the number is even. Number is even. So which are the even number? 2 4 6. So P of A, that is 3/6. That is event A. Now B the event is red. So B equal to event is red. तो which are red? तो रेड में ही देखिए आप, red die is 1 2 3. So that is 1 2 3. So P of B R upon N 3/6. Now A intersection B, A intersection B, दोनों में कॉमन एलिमेंट that is 2 only. So P of A intersection B 1/6. So now check that PA into PB equal to PA 3/6, PB also 3/6. So 1/2 into 1/2, 1/4, that is not equal to P of A intersection B. So product of event A into event B is not same as the A intersection B. अगर दोनों सेम नहीं है, that means A and B are not independent. Not independent. Okay. Next one. A fair coin and unbiased die are tossed. So first of all, S के लिए coin and die both are tossed. So total element, so H1 से लेके H6, H is multiply with everyone, T1 T2 up to T6. n equal to 12, n equal to 12, A is what? Head appear on the coin. So event A head appear on the coin. चलिए हेड appear on the coin, तो हेड appear H1 to H6, P of A 6/12. Second, B be the event 3 on die. Three on the die. चलिए 3 कहाँ पे है? तो that is H3 T3. Event B H3 T3, P of B 2/6, P of B 2/6. Now the question is, A and B are independent event or not? So for that A intersection B कर दीजिए. A intersection B H3, A intersection B, that is 1/12, 1/12. Now प्रोडक्ट ऑफ पी ए इंटू पी बी. अब चेक कर लीजिए कि पी ए इंटू पी बी इज इट 1/12, 6/12 इंटू 2/12, 6 2s are 12, so that is also 1/12. So answer is P of A intersection B, P A into P B equal to P of A intersection B. Then A and B are independent event. ओके, एक बार अच्छे से देख लीजिए. चलिए नेक्स्ट वन, probability of obtaining an even prime number on each die when the pair of die is rolled. चलिए S equal to 1 1 1 2 up to 6 6. So these are total 36 element, n equal to 36. Event A even prime number on die, even prime number on die. Even चाहिए, prime number चाहिए, तो there is only one element, 2 2. So now P of A only one element out of 36. तो suitable option is option D. देख लीजिए एक बार. Next example. In a hostel, 60% student read Hindi newspaper. So let event A, student read Hindi newspaper. Event B, student read English newspaper. Now P of A, 60 upon 100, so that is 0.60. P of B, 0.40. A intersection B, both read Hindi and English newspaper. So P of A intersection B, that is 20%. So 0.2. Now the first question. Find the probability that she read neither Hindi nor English. So peoples are, they don't want to read Hindi nor English. So that means they don't read Hindi, A dash, nor intersection B dash. So apply De Morgan's law. P of A union B whole dash 1 minus P of A union B 1 minus P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. P of A 0.6, 0.4 minus 0.2, so that is 0.8. So only 20% student neither read Hindi nor English newspaper. Second question. If that is given, she read Hindi newspaper. So that means event A is given, conditional statement. Find the probability that she read English newspaper. So English newspaper is event B. So P of B by A, that is P of B intersection A upon P of A. चलिए B intersection A 0.2 upon 0.6. Answer 1 by 3. Option C. If she read English newspaper, that means event B is given. Find the probability that she read Hindi newspaper. So that is event A. P of A intersection B upon P of B 0.2 upon 0.4. Answer is what? 1 by 2. देख लीजिए एक बार. Two cards are drawn at random. and without replacement, that means once you pick the card, don't put it back. From a 52 playing cards, find the probability that both cards are black. So total cards are 52. Now 2 cards select without replacement, not repeated. Now both cards are black. Event A. Both cards are black. So P of A. एलिमेंट सिलेक्ट करेंगे. टोटल ब्लैक कार्ड्स आर, तो कि ब्लैक दैट मीन्स क्लब एंड स्पेड. So total 26. Select 2 cards. So P of A R upon N 26 C2 upon 52 C2. So 2 choice 26 into 25 upon 52 into 51. 26 twos are, so answer is 25 upon 102. 25 upon 102. देख लीजिए एक बार. Next, an urn contained 10 black and 5 white balls. So that means a urn contained 10 black, 5 white. 2 balls are drawn from the urn, one after the other, without replacement. So 2 balls are selected one after the other and do not replace. So first, what we want to find out, what is the probability that both drawn balls are black? Okay, so first ball is black. That one is total balls are 15. So n equal to 15. So now what is this? First ball is black. So from the box we select one black ball. So black is selected from black. So 10 C1, that is 10. P of A R upon N 10 C1 upon 15 C1, that is 10 by 15. Event B, second ball is also black. Second ball is also black. So now P of B without replacement है. So already one black ball is already picked. So now remaining are 9 black ball. Total ball में से भी one ball is already selected. 14 C1. So answer is 9 by 14. So now both balls are black. So P of A intersection B equal to PA into PB. 10 upon 15, 9 by 14. 5 2s are, 5 3s are, 2 7s are, 3 3s are. So answer is 3 by 7. Next one. चलिए, a box of oranges is inspected by examining 3 randomly select orange. So from the one box you are selecting 3 oranges without replacement. Okay, that means whatever you select the orange, don't put it back. If wala portion given है 3 oranges are good, that means every time you are selecting good oranges, then box is approved for sale. So if you are pick up 3 oranges is in good condition, then box is approved for sale, otherwise it is not. Find the probability that box containing how many oranges? 15 oranges. 12 are good. This one is the main thing. 12 are good, 3 orange are in bad condition, and main portion box will approve for sale. That means already given that box is approved for sale. That means आपने जो भी 3 orange select किया है, all are in good condition, without replacement है. So first orange of the box in good condition. B, second orange of the box is in good condition. Event C, third orange of the box is in good condition. And event A intersection B intersection C box approved for sale. That means A, B and C are independent events. So now P of A intersection B intersection C, PA into PB into PC. What is PA? PA, first time you pick the orange out of 15 orange. All are in good condition. So 12 by 15. Now you already selected 1 oranges. So remaining oranges are 14. Good are 11. Now you pick 2. So remaining are 13 and good one is 10. चलिए नेक्स्ट वन 5 2s 5 3s 3 4s 2 7s. So now remaining is 11 into 4 44, 13 इंटू 7 91। ओके, एक बार अच्छे से देख लीजिए।